Hey guys, today I have a quick look unboxing review at the Remington Pro Wet2style hair dryer. This is metal, should be good. I'm going to compare it to an existing one that we use, and I'll tell you if it's better than our everyday one. It's so misleading to see these things brand new because normally they look like that. So how does this go on? Okay, it's got a lock unlock. You are locked. Pretty nice and long cord. Today we are comparing the Remington Pro to the Hair Sensation Pro, so let's see which one's better. On the Hair Sensation Pro, you have this circuit breaker thing, where on this guy you don't, so potentially you will just blow the breaker. With this has that built in, which is nice for any hair dryer accessories or heaters. The cord length on the Remington Pro is 6 feet and the Sensation Pro is 5. First turn on experience. Seriously? So after 5 minutes of trying to figure out how to turn it on, I finally realized that they have a flaw in their design. So far so good. If you turn it on, it doesn't work. It's like people probably try to return it, go back to the manufacturer for the warranty. But if you look down here, there's these twisties. So let's go ahead. So yeah, so maybe in the future they could make these a darker color so you know you got to twist it. As with the Hair Sensation Pro, you see that they're clearly labeled here. They don't blend in and you can barely see them. And it's also one thing on this where you just twist it, where this is a series of different levers. So Remington really needs to simplify their products. So this one gets much hotter and much louder. Generally those linearly increase because, the air flow, heat, and all of that generates noise, unless you're Dyson. You have this swiveling part down here. They both do. So overall, I would recommend the Hair Sensation Pro over the Remington Pro, just because you get better heat, better usability. Yes, it's quieter, however, it does not get as hot. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked that quick look unboxing review and comparison, and I hope you have a great day.